How to add photos to a Yelp business page as a user. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Here, select your location at the top and search where you want to add photos. Then you'll find all the businesses in here. Select the one where you want to add photo. After you've selected, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Add Photos or Videos. Simply click on it. After you click on Add Photos or Videos, it will lead you to this page. Here, you can drag and drop your photos or videos or press on Browse Files. After you press on Browse Files, select the picture you want to add and press on Open. Then press on Upload. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add photos to a Yelp business page as a user. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.